Hey guys, welcome back to Garage Works. Today we are going to look at either replacing or fixing the exhaust on the King Quad 300. I ordered this new muffler from Dennis Kirk a few weeks back, and it did not come with this extension piece. So a little back and forth with them. This piece finally arrived today, and it just slips on the end like so, and it's got a set screw on the bottom to hold it on. This is the part number here in case you're interested. And like I said, make sure it comes with this. And in their picture on eBay, it actually shows this part. So I don't know if this was a one-time thing or if they're all like that, but anyway. And then over here, I ordered some aluminized low-carbon sheet steel. This is 12 by 12 inch, and actually this is the part number here. I think it was around $20 shipped to my door. And if you're not familiar with McMaster, there's the name there. So the plan is, I think I might try this first. I'll cut it, like a 4-inch strip, and kind of wrap it around the muffler and try welding it and see how that turns out. And if I'm happy with that, I can always return this muffler and get my money back. So let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna go with 4 inches wide. So I got my line drawn here, and we're gonna use some tin snips to cut it. Okay, got this pipe formed around the muffler. Now I'm gonna weld this, see how it goes. Okay, got it on. High temp heat. I'm gonna throw some paint on there. So I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, got it all painted. Turned out pretty nice. So I will go ahead and return that muffler to Dennis Kirk, and I figure if I, year or two down the road, if I want to buy another one, I can go ahead and do that. But for now, I'm gonna see how this works. And now I'm going to I took these heat shields off because I thought originally I was going to replace the muffler, but so now I'm going to go ahead and put it back on. And these crusty bolts are not going back on. I went and got some stainless steel. Some stainless steel bolts, and they go in just like that. So I got 3 of those. So I'll go ahead and get that heat shield back on. Alright, got the heat shield on. See the nice stainless hardware there. So next step, we'll get this rear fender back on And if you remember from previous videos, there was a crack here that we plastic welded from the back side. So this fender is ready to get back on, and there's a couple bolts here and a couple up front, and then what I'm going to do down here is get some stainless hardware for the foot pegs, because all that was so rusted it pretty much I had to drill them out. So, and then I got to paint the back rack. I got to wire wheel this some more, throw some paint on that before I put it back on. So that's where we're at. All right, we'll get this on. All right, got the fender back on. And I'll get some stainless steel hardware for attaching down there tomorrow. And currently getting the rear rack painted. So I'll finish that up, get that on tomorrow, and I think we'll call it a day for now. Thanks for watching.